Harry Potter is Illuminati. I, Mimic Octopus-Man, am exposing this crap. Harry Potter is Illuminati. Harry Potter, Illuminati. Putting the Harry Potter theme song. See? Notice the Illuminati pyramid here. It says here not Illuminati. That's what they want me to believe. But anyways, look. This is kind of weird. See this? There's an Illuminati card called Weak Link. And guess who it looks like? Harry Potter. It also looks like from the Timothy Hunter from Neil Gaiman, the Gaiman Lizards, the Books of Magic. I read that graphic. I read the first graphic novel of the Books of Magic. But notice how the boy from the weak leg is getting he's getting hurt from that guy right there. It looks like Harry Potter. You know, it's all about like introducing kids to the occult and stuff. I'll put my camera down here. As you can see, it's like making magic look cool, but it's not going to touch that stuff because Alpha Draconians and Archons use black magic to dominate the world. And now humans are like getting into that. Even white magic, don't touch that stuff. So as you can see. And you know what? What's also strange? Harry Potter's villain, Voldemort, is actually an Alpha Draconian. See, look at that secret service man there. Secret Service reptilian shapeshifter. Spotted. Let's put the Voldemort theme song. See, I don't know Harry Potter, but you know, like that lightning. He has that thing on his head. That's supposed to be lightning. The lightning bolt represents Satan falling down. Satan is Enki/Lucifer. Let's put Voldemort's end. I'm gonna put the Voldemort's end when Voldemort's getting defeated. I'm gonna keep this reptilian shape. Oh, I don't want to step on my camera. I want to keep this safe. See, I'm saying like Voldemort looks like an Andean condor, and that's Skeksis-like. So I think I have this little head here. Let's see this. Also, Voldemort looks like this lizard species here. Let's expose this Secret Service. Again. There. One more down. There. That's the reptilian. Also, let's take this lizard species. It's a legless lizard. There are lizards that don't have legs. And since most people are familiar with reptilians as lizards, there. We're exposing Voldemort, like this Voldemort-like reptilian shapeshifter. You know, the Secret Service, that's Illuminati. They didn't like the Illuminati cards being made. because it exposed the Illuminati. Secret Service. Secret Service. Illuminati cards. SG Games versus this. Like, they didn't like the Illuminati, the Secret Service serves the Illuminati cards. These cards predict the future. Humans can predict the future, like with entertainment. That's your world, the cards world. SG Games. Secret, so like they rate, see, SG Games and Secret Service. On March 1, the offices of Steve Jackson's in Austin, Texas, were raided by the U.S. Secret Service as part of a nationwide campaign of data piracy. But let's learn more about the Secret Service. Illuminati cards. Secret Service definition. Secret Service definition. In the U.S. In the American Empire, a branch of the Department of Homeland Security was providing protection for residents in case of types of financial crime. The SJ Game's innocent. Hopeful, or maybe not. Maybe it's not. On March 1, 1999, officers of Steve Jackson Gate were raided by the U.S. Secret Service for national investigation and piracy. The news story reported that the Secret Service had raided a suspected room anchorage. Gradually, the true story emerged. More than 4 years name company ruling the raid had been careless, illegal, and economic liberties. And already in final speech, IS raid on March 1, the force of armed, see,